Exams are around the corner. Can you smell the confusion, panic, and every other emotion mixed with a hint of fear? Remember, nothing is easy when you put in the effort for it. Nothing is hard when you have mastered it with all your efforts. Economics is a combination of practical and theory. It becomes cumbersome when a student tries to memorize or cram. Understanding a concept is very important, as then applicability becomes easier. 15 minutes reading time is important to plan and strategize in mind how to answer the questions. It is possible to score perfect 100 in economics. Nowadays, CBSE focuses on understanding, applicability, and evaluating the application-based questions. Practice solving numerical-based questions and case-based questions to strengthen your understanding. Do not mug up the formulas. Instead, try to understand their derivation and applicability. Bring together all your notes, practice registers, formula sheets, mind maps, and start revising them regularly. Perseverance and focus are the key to success. Presentation of answers also matters a lot. Try to put your answers in points, especially in Indian economic development. Underline the key terms like jobless growth, ex-ante saving, ex-post saving, ex-post investment, etc. So children, my advice is never do tomorrow what you can do today. Stay calm and confident right before and during the exams. Work hard and all the best.